Hello and welcome to Homeownership, Section 4, Lesson 5, CWT Body Revision. Today you will observe a model of how to analyze an argument using the Culminating Writing Task exemplar. You will have 3 different peers review your paragraphs and determine the strength of your argument, and you will edit your paragraphs based on your feedback. Here is that Culminating Writing Task prompt that we're working on. Through reading of the unit text and additional research, you will develop an argument in response to the unit question, is the dream of homeownership viable for all Americans? Within a more focused subtopic area. Using information from your reading, you will develop an argumentative thesis supported by a series of evidence-based claims, including at least one counter-argument to an opposing perspective or position. You will organize your thesis, claims, and evidence into a unified, coherent, well-reasoned argument that addresses a specific purpose and audience. Here is our learning targets for this lesson. If you'll notice, they were the same as the ones in Lesson 4. Can you answer the unit question? Is the American dream of homeownership viable for all Americans? Can you write an argumentative essay? For this lesson, you will need your culminating writing task, draft essay, your exemplar, and the culminating task tool. Now you're going to read your partner's work and then ask yourself the questions. You will make any necessary revisions to the development and support of your work. You will repeat this again with another partner, and you will repeat this process with your new partner's work. Remember that your work should sufficiently develop and support a position that is in a fair and even manner, with supporting claims and evidence, explanations, and elaboration. The questions that you'll be answering are, is the evidence provided useful? Does my partner use counterclaims to strengthen the argument? Does my partner integrate evidence correctly? Does my partner incorporate evidence or information from a variety of credible sources? And does my partner correctly cite evidence? You will have 20 minutes to complete this activity. Now you're going to review the prompt again and ask yourself the questions. What type of prompt is this? What are the parts of the prompt? What elements must be included in a response for this prompt? Remember that your work should appropriately address the task. Your position and the supporting claims and explanations should be accurate, relevant, evidence-based, and logical. You will have 4 minutes to complete this activity. Now you're going to read your work and ask yourself the questions. You will make any necessary revision to the content and ideas in your work. Does the work address all parts of the task? Is the reasoning logical in connection to the thesis statement? How well is the argument developed? You will have 20 minutes to complete this activity. Congratulations! You have finished Section 4, Lesson 5 of the Homeownership unit. In this lesson, you answered the unit question, is the dream of homeownership viable for all Americans? You also wrote an argumentative essay.